In this segment, we look at how you duplicate data on this worksheet onto another worksheet. So in this case, we have a quarter of information. Let's say the layout is exactly the same for the next quarter. Most people will do a copy and paste either by highlighting just that data or clicking here and then doing Control-C, clicking on a new worksheet, and Control-V to paste it. This is a bit long-winded. If you take your mouse pointer down to the tab at the bottom that represents the worksheet you want to duplicate, hold down the Control key and hold the left mouse key down on your mouse. When you let go of your mouse and then let go of Control, it creates an exact duplicate of that data. You can then remove the information that you no longer require, and when you enter in your data relevant to this particular period, you can automatically have it update. So that's using Control and a drag with the left mouse key to duplicate the worksheet tab in Excel 2016.